Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that belongs to the world of chemical sciences. It is generally harmless in small amounts, but can be toxic if ingested or inhaled in larger quantities, requiring careful handling. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as barium, barium, barium. Barium is a composition of individual words. Bari comes from the Greek word baris, meaning heavy, and is a common suffix for elements. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about barium, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.